Alright, welcome back to Chili's Garage. Today we're going to be fixing the Bimmer. So this is the radiator hose that we have to take off. Should be a simple project. I'm hoping it'll only take like 30 minutes. Fingers crossed.
Alright, it's recording again. Oh man, looks crusty.
Oh, it's the one in the back. Okay. I've memorized it. Let's get it.
Ian can't find the right size.
Find the freaking right size. Alright. I'll take you guys with me. So I gotta take this plate off. This one right here off so I can access the hose. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And Mario's gonna record me. Why did I punch you down so hard last time? I just hate myself, I think. I've had this crash down on my forehead before. That hurts a lot. I'm gonna try not to do that.
The next Chris fix, guys.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we got a BMW 328i.
I hope it crashes down on your head.
No!
It'd be funny.
Don't say that.
Ian, do it for the video.
For the views!
If Ian gets to 200 subs, he'll drop his BMW 328i on himself.
That Harbor Freight Jack over there is not looking too good. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, that's a lot of coolant. Not supposed to be there. Alright.
Taste it.
No. Alright, so now that I got the skid plate off, I can finally get the right hose.
Yeah, you got it. That should be good. Now whip it off, Ian.
Well, let's put the bucket underneath first. Alright, so now that we got the clamp finally undone, let's drain it. Oh! Oh, Marty!
You got most of it.
I think I got it.
You should have drained the coolant first.
Alright, time to take the top of the hose off. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Send it.
Oh, did you get it?
Alright, it's time for Panda Break. What's the let out, Marty?
We're hot.
Is that orange chicken? Is that some shrimps? Arrow? They call my arrow? Absolutely demolished.
Time for a little fortune.
You will learn the value of a kind word. This freaking idiot. Marty. Marty forgot something. You're gross. That's not it. That is not it. That is. You proud of yourself? Alright, so the package arrived. This is our new hose. This new housing is plastic. That should be fine. It's whatever. We gotta get this part on the thermostat. This is gonna be the hard part. So, time for some more paint. How's that fit?
Is that a good fit?
Ooh, that's a good fit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Is that bottom sticking out? Yeah, it is. You can see the O-ring out.
Uh-oh. Push with all your might, Ian.
Right here?
Yeah. There, you got it.
It's in?
Yeah. Ian looks. Me when we're 3 hours into the project, you said it'd take 30 minutes. Hold it right there, Ian. I might be able to get it with the screwdriver up here. Oh, I got it. It's just the stupid hose is in the way. That's gotta be tight enough. Subscribe, Delta Force 27 on YouTube. Unsubscribe from Chili Bread. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna put some water in for it first, and then I'm gonna flush the lines and see if it's leaking or not. Oh.
It needs a good rinse anyways. How many of those is it gonna take, Ian? Just pour it faster, Ian, so it stops.
My cranberry juice works. Pay for his sins.
She's slurping it up. How are you gonna know if it's leaking, Ian, when there's freaking water all over your engine bay?
Well, I think we know if it's leaking. That bobber's coming up, so that means it's not leaking. You'll see.
It's red rocket. You thirsty, little Bimmer?
Oh, isn't that nice? Bye, bobber.
You're going down. You're not in the mood anymore. Doesn't sound like anything. Too much. There's a little drippage, Ian. There's a little drippage, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's dripping.
From that spot.
It's from here.
Bro.
Here, turn it off, turn it off. Well,
So, what do we just do, Ian?
angle grinded a brand new part.
Yeah.
This better hold, man.
May or may not have angle grinded that down a bit so it can fit.
Heck,
If it pops out, Ian, I'm gonna shoot myself.
I might just end it.
Yeah, just like that.
Bye, booby. Bye-bye.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, X. Alright, Ian, I'm ready.
Alright, 1 or 2.
Stand it back. No leaks, Ian. No leaks.
Let's pump it through!
Yeah, no leaks.
Look through here, look through here.
Nothing leaking, bro.
It's bubbling. It's mostly water, but it's bubbling.
I don't see a drop coming out. And you can tell everybody.
Alright, this takes some artistic skill. Autistic skill. Take some skill.
Just take it out with your fingers, Ian. Oh, too late.
What can I say?
There's a beaver's vagina.
Alright, let's move.
Ian's addicted to the coolant. Oh, it looks like Gatorade. It looks like blue Gatorade.
Booby! Don't cross that, please.
Cross thread. Thank fucking God. I was just waiting for it to hit the ground.
I read the whole dictionary 3 times and I never saw the word blueberries.
No, I'm focusing. Hold on.
You remember when I ate my fortune?
Shut up. Try to focus. Hold on.
Perfect.
Well, the Beamer will stop running someday, but not today. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe, because I'm sure the Beamer will be back on the jack stand soon enough.